All right, this should be a pretty quick video. I just wanted to show you how you can use the new image card styles. I am just on a test page on a preview site. The first thing you're going to want to do is go into Layout Builder. These only work on landing pages as they are just image blocks with a new style added. So I will go ahead and create a section. We'll do a 3 card. And then I'm going to add a block and I will choose the image card block. Then I will do what I normally do and upload my images. So I'll use this one here. Always put in a good alternative text. Remember capitalization and punctuation. You can add a link if you want. And then on the color styles, you'll see you have your full color options, which is what you're normally used to. And then you'll have your partial color. So I will do a partial red, medium text, add block. And there you go. To give you an example of what it looks like without, I'm going to create another one, an image card, that is going to be the exact same, but I will use the full color so you can see them next to each other. So I'm going full red, and there we go. That is the same image, just the 2 different styles. That is how you use the new style. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.